Getting Jason to come in and actually look at the signs is a step in the right direction. But then it's all on me to make the sale close so that I can use the funds and get my renovation underway. You're gonna love the signs.
Okay, good. Hello, hello.
Hey, sweetheart, how are you? Jason's here to check out all the signs. Hopefully, I can get this sale underway and get some cash so I can use it for the renovations. I've got to get this place cleaned up. I've got to get it painted. I've got to get it looking good for Anna. She's the best potential partner / investor that I have. And the meat market in Clovis is just a perfect match. Back way. So there's 17, and I inventoried every one of them. We took pictures, plugged them in, tested them. You got to know the difference between fist and finesse when you have to work your deal. Finesse is when you finagle something with a very soft, delicate hand. I mean, what would you like? Russell's your buddy. Be as generous as you want because none of this money's going anywhere but back in this place.
What are you thinking?
I'd love to get 10 grand. They're really beautiful.
You've got some that are worth a lot of money and some that maybe aren't. So I was kind of hoping to get the friend deal.
If Jason doesn't buy the signs, I'm essentially on hold. I need the money to do the transformation of the Shepherd's Inn into $1 million business. The least I think I should take is $7,500. The other ones to play downstairs. I have 4 in my car. I'm really getting desperate about getting some cash in. The way to do that is selling the signs.
Okay, so I'll do that deal, and if Russell wants to buy them back from me later on down the road, I'll sell them back to him. If I could give you the $5 grand now and the rest when you deliver them or when I pick them up, is that okay?
It's totally great, yeah.
Okay. I'll do that deal.
Thank you.
All right.
You're welcome.
All right. Oh, you want it now? Okay.
Sorry.
Here you go.
Finally, I have some cash in hand. It's not just about the fact that I can paint and start renovations. It's about showing Russell that we were able to get something done, that he did not have to write a check. We were able to convert some of his inventory into real dollars.